guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Junie B here, and today I'm back with another synthetic wig review. Today is another collaboration with my YouTube sis, Miss Khrissy, and that's Khrissy with the K. If you watch her channel, you already know what I mean when I say Khrissy with the K. Yeah, it's kind of okay, never mind. But yes, today we are doing a collaboration, and today our theme is going to be sassy bob units. So I'm going to be featuring a sassy bob unit to review for you guys today, and she will too. So after you watch my video, make sure to head on over to Khrissy's channel and make sure you guys subscribe if you're not already. She is a delight. I really enjoy watching her videos. I actually discovered her after coming back to YouTube. Oh my gosh, she's super sweet, has so much energy that just radiates through the video. Like, I can feel her energy when I'm watching her videos. It's like, oh yeah, okay, yeah, I like that. Yeah, so I'm hoping that you get the same vibe when you go check her out as well. So let's just dive right into today's review. Hey guys, so today's unit is courtesy of ebonyline.com, and the price point of the unit is $29.95. You will see that this unit has combs, it has adjustable straps. The parting space is HD invisible lace, and the cool thing is that this unit is, the parting space is right and left side spinnable. So you can shift your unit to the right or the left side, whatever your heart desires. And I am wearing this unit in a side part that goes to the left. I'm showing you guys a close-up shot of the parting space because one of the things that I didn't care for with the unit is that the lace has like black knots. I didn't like that at all. Surely did not like that. But I used the Ebon lace tint spray to conceal it, and this was my first time using the Ebon lace tint spray, and I think the spray I got was a little too dark, so I will make sure to go a shade lighter when I get another can, or use my powder and my pressed powder and concealer. The length of this unit is 12 inches. The texture of this hair is very messy waves, very soft messy waves. I really love the way this hair feels. The cap space on this unit is average, I would say. Some of the things that I really like about this unit is that it's super duper affordable. This unit is very versatile. You can wear it in so many settings: work, school, play. I mean, the bob is super duper fun. It's very flirty. I just like the energy that this unit gives me. So yeah, I really like that about the unit. Things that I don't care for with the unit, I'm not sure how I feel about the shiftable. I'm not sure how I feel about the unit shifting because it took me a while to kind of figure it out, like how to put the unit on my head because it wasn't feeling right. So until I looked at the start card, I'm like, oh, you can shift this unit around. And once I got it, I was like, oh, okay. This is working. Another thing that I didn't really care for was that the lace, the parting, the black knots, I didn't like that at all. But once I used my lace tint spray, I mean, the black knots went away. So you're going to have to go in and alter this unit in some form or fashion. But overall, super duper affordable, cute unit. I like her very much. Check her out on ebonyline.com. Link, it will be in the description box below. And before I go, make sure you guys go check out Miss Khrissy's video. It will also be down in the description box below. I had a lot of fun doing this collab with her. She is super duper sweet, lots of energy. You're gonna love her channel if you're not already subscribed. So until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye.